Hello, my dear children. You are enjoying the program Dada Dadi Stories. Children, have you ever thought about how rivers gives us life and deserve our care? Here is a story about how Krishna cares for Yamuna River. One morning in Vrindavana, Krishna saw Yamuna River flowing gently, sparkling in the sunlight. But nearby, some children were carelessly throwing waste into the water. Krishna stopped them with playful smile and said, "The river gives us water to drink, fish to eat, and beauty to enjoy. Should not we keep it clean?" His words made the children think. Instead of throwing waste, Krishna led them to gather the waste and clean the river. The water sparkled with colors, the children laughed, and the villagers admired Krishna's wisdom. His playful lesson reminded everyone that nature is a gift and caring for it keeps life joyful and pure. So, what is the moral of the story? Respecting and protecting nature keeps the life joyful and pure. So, let us summarize. Krishna saw the river flow, taught his friends the care to show. Nature shines when love is near. Keep it safe, both bright and clear. Thank you.